what's up, guys? I'm back with another episode of Dat Survival LP, and we are going to turn it on easy now because I'm getting so tired of not. And since we've lit up most of the dangerous caves, yeah, we could just. And I think we need to shoot. I guess I'm just gonna have to go and we just need to do this. And I believe that prevents it from getting, yeah. So now the crops can grow again. And yeah, so in the last episode we crafted an iron sword and all that awesome stuff that end off the episode. And in this episode, we're gonna wait for the wheat. We're gonna do something and wait for the wheat to grow, and then we're gonna craft some fences, wait for the wheat to grow, and then breed sheep, and then make a sheep farm. And it will be perfect for all the wool we need.
Yeah.
But first of all, we need to go out and, well, I guess dye can wait.
Now, silver should go on more. I mean, wool.
Yeah, so it's a little different. So I have 42 cobblestone here, which actually probably won't be of much use. Well, I guess we could make cobblestone fences, and that's less expensive, so yeah, good. 6. We're gonna need about, I used to really need cobblestone fences on my skyblock on this one server, Lichcraft. I'm gonna need this many, 24. No, I'm gonna need more. As many as I can possibly get. Do. 42. Ain't good enough. I'll probably make more later. Well, that's kind of the thing. I kind of ruined my. Now, where to put this? We have the wheat here. We have our house all around here. Maybe I should do it on the back, on the side, Whoa, what? Oh, get it all. Oh, that really sucks. Oh yeah, big mess of drops. Let's take it one more out here and leave some space. Hold on, I'm not gonna. And now, ta-da, we have our sheep farm. Though the problem is, the only way we're gonna be able to get in is through, let's see, hold on, I need to grab my axe. And I'm gonna dirt. Let's see, what are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Like this, right here. Perfect, just enough. Now I'm just gonna go through here, around here, and break this. And now, looks like it's gonna be turning nighttime. And so we'll single mob spawned. If they did, they're burning down. So up goes the sun. And wow, our crops grow really fast. Even though I know that it doesn't go at all. Even though I know it doesn't go any faster when you sleep. Sweet, it's really going fast. And I think we shall go in there later. Shoot, I guess we're gonna go in there now. I'm just kidding. And I know I made, whoops, wrong way. I made this, which kind of just through the mountain. I'm pretty sure I was recording when I did it. Yeah, I was recording, I think. And we got another episode to do. And okay, so far so good. Grow. Okay, so I don't see any ores particularly here. And yeah, so this is really being awesome, and I'm not gonna cut the video because it takes so much work to literally piece them back together, because I don't have the right video editor. I'm not gonna buy one like right now. That like it's not even funny, and it just like, so that's why I don't cut stuff. That's why I record the entire thing. But and the thing is, I don't want to buy one, because if I do buy one, then I'll cut it, and I'll cut it a lot, and you'll barely and then like the episodes will be like half the length they used to be. So that's the reason why I don't want to get the, yeah. So let's check on the crops again, even though it's only been like 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh god. Oh god, the shabs everywhere. Jabs everywhere. So, yeah. Grow. Or die. Please grow. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please with sugar on top? No? Okay.
Oh, look how much I need to do.
Yeah, how much do you need?
Look.
Oh, okay. That's a big plot.
I know. I can go big over.
Yeah, I bet you can.
Yeah, I can. I can't go big old heel, but I can go big old heel and heel.
I know. Sorry. And yeah.
Mod pie. Toast. And no.
Oh god. Okay, so now I'm officially gonna spaz out and go. Yeah, that's OP. Spazzing out. I love spazzing out. Spazzing out is awesome. Sheep, I really want to kill you with my nice iron sword that I just crafted, but I know that'd be the wrong thing.
Did you have sheep in there?
Sniff. What?
Did you have sheep in there?
No, not yet.
Oh.
I'm waiting for the wheat to grow so I can breed the sheep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Look at them with bones. I'm kidding.
Well, you can't breed sheep with bones.
I know. Owen, this is the middle. Then I can record and do my survival map. Like spawn some like zombies.
I don't think you can disable. I think mob spawning is disabled.
I'm not sure. I don't think you cannot build in your own job. And that is true. Let me do it over here.
So, yeah. Derp. Hi. P. Hiccup. Ho. Perfect. Perfect. Okay.
Really close.
It's almost ready.
Oh, that one.
It's one step away from ready.
Okay. I think I'm gonna get finished like in a second.
So, yeah.
Actually, in 0 seconds.
Now, the thing I want to do right now is... Wait, I don't have a shovel? Well, that's weird. The thing I want to do right now is... Wait, we have 20 coals. That's good news. So I'm just going to plop like one coal in the furnace and start cooking up this iron so I could make something like a shovel.
Even smaller.
Yeah.
One more block. This will take 0 seconds right now.
What? Yeah, you finished. Do I like watching it? It all burn.
Now I'm just making
Hey.
that. So I don't
Perfect.
need the glass or the cobble. So also put some trees up. I'm gonna put.
I wish you could block with a shovel. That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Ah! Dang it. Like. Turnips. Topaz. Turds. Tingle. Ella. Penis. Something or other. Really hungry. Oh god. I'm dying. No. Not that at all. Not that at all, son. Not that at all. So, let's see. What do we want to do? Shoot. Now we can just add water. Ouch. What do I even want to smelt? Oh yeah. I'm hungry, I forgot. I don't need that for that. I could just put in a stick for that. Peas. Dang it, I just wasted a stick. No, you can't do that. I thought wool burned. Maybe torches burn. No. I know torches can't burn. Yeah, I guess I could just put my wooden pickaxe in. Still, that's kind of embarrassing, putting your wooden pickaxe. Oh, come on, beep. Danku. Oh yeah. Full hunger. Now I can finally taste the deliciousness. looks like the sun is going down. Better
It's
act.
already nighttime for me.
I know. Like, uh-oh. Let's get the... Mob starts spawning, don't blame me. Whoops. Okay, let's go back. Oh god, oh god. Oh man. Man. Oh god. Mobs are gonna start spawning every which and where. See, I even hear a zombie. Okay, so why am I still afraid of... I could break down my door, but I don't think that still works. Hi. So, is that zombie still out there? Zombie, where are you, zombie? You're really annoying, zombie. Okay, so, shoot. Now let's go back and collect the rest of that sand and maybe throw snowballs at my crowd. Yay! Oh god, that must be really cold. Really, no, it's like in this one doesn't drop the wheat. Yes! Did you drop wheat? I want your wheat. But I need 2 wheat. Dang it, at least I can bring the sheep to me. At least I can bring the sheep to me. The shepherd, I'm a shepherd now. With my staff. That kinda looks like a staff. Yes, you want the wheat. You are hypnotized. You want the wheat. Okay, so follow me, dude. And everything will be okay. Stop following me. Stop following. You hate me. Yes, you want the wheat. You will follow me since you want wheat. You will go through these doors since you want wheat. You will go in here since you want wheat. You will die since you want wheat. I will make some fence gates since you want wheat. Some fence gates. Perfect, they actually needed 2. I mean 4. Just enough for some fence. What? Oh yeah. Let's just say I have these right here and then this right here, and it makes these. Makes a fence gate. No, I didn't just do that. Oh, perfect. Just perfect. Now we can have the fence gates. Oh yeah, real nice. Shoot. Yeah. Shoot, no, get out. You want the wheat. No, you don't. No, you don't care. Hey, sheep, I'll give you wheat. Sheepy. Sheepy, I'll give you wheat. No, I need 2 shebs. I need 2 jebs. Why do I keep calling them jebs? second time I've called them jabs. I'm not scared of no cave noises. Oh my god! Yes, sheep, sheep, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Aw, shoot. Follow me. Sheep, wheat, sheep, wheat, sheep, sheep, wheat. Oh, shoot. Sheep, wheat. Here, you want the wheat. You know you want it. Perfect. I knew you'd want it. Because you can have the wheat once I get one more so I can breed you and you can marry. You can repopulate. You can repopulate. Come on, just through these doors. Nah. Shoot. Just don't move. This is for your own good. Right through these doors. Please, please, please. Or else. You had your chance. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm the sheep killer. Oh, the zombie's so annoying. It's like he's on my roof. Okay, so, thanks for watching. This has been a great episode, and we'll end this episode by collecting the wheat. Hi. Good. Yeah.